Happy Navratras to all my dear friends. Today I am sharing a Farali snack recipe with all of you. We are going to make raw banana cutlets or Kache Kele Kabab. Few ingredients are required, all of those which we use during the fasting period. And very easy to make also and so delicious. You can make and enjoy them with Farali chutney. The recipe of chutney I have already shared earlier. So you can find the link in the description box. Check it out. Prepare and enjoy these cutlets. Even check out the other recipes as well. Many Farali recipes are there, the desserts, main dish, curries, puris, parathas, all that we eat during the fasting period. I'll share the playlist link in the description box for all of you. So now let's proceed to make raw banana cutlets. Ingredients for the cutlets. I've taken 3 raw bananas, pressure cooked them for 2 whistles with the skin on. 3 potatoes, pressure cooked them for 4 to 5 whistles. We are going to peel them and mash them now. Coriander leaves, handful, chop them very finely. Oil 5 to 6 tablespoons or as needed for pan frying. Roasted and crushed peanuts, about 1/4 cup. Barnyard millet flour or namak atta, 3 teaspoons. You may also use any other Farali flour instead, like kuttu atta. Pink salt or Sendha namak to taste. Crushed black pepper, half teaspoon. Roasted and crushed cumin seeds, half teaspoon. Amchoor or dry mango powder, half teaspoon. You could also add crushed anardana instead. Ingredients list is shared in the description box for your reference. Now let's start making the cutlets. The potatoes and bananas are cool enough now. We can peel them. Peeling is done. I'm using only 2 potatoes, keeping the third one away because I think 2 should be sufficient. Now peel the bananas. Cut them into smaller pieces so that it's easier to mash them. Now mash them very well. With the same mixture, you can also make Farali koftas and make a curry of your choice with all the Farali ingredients that you use during the fasting period. They'll taste amazing too. Now we'll start adding all the ingredients one by one. About 5 teaspoons of roasted and crushed peanuts. Always make sure the mixture is cool enough before adding the ingredients, especially the salt, as it leaves out water and it might make the mixture mushy. Two teaspoons of Barnyard millet flour or namak atta. Instead of this, you can also add any other Farali flour like kuttu atta. Sendha namak to taste. Half teaspoon of Amchoor or dry mango powder. To replace this, you could also use crushed anardana. Even they taste very good. Half teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Half teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin seeds. Coriander leaves as needed. You could also add green chilies if you eat them during the fast. Some people eat and some don't. So you can skip all those ingredients which you are not using during the fasting period. Mix everything well and check the salt. You can adjust if it is required. Mashing is done. Now shape the cutlets. You can make them into any shape. Coat them with some crushed peanuts. These give a lovely crunch after frying. Same way, repeat with all the cutlets. From this quantity, you get about 11 to 12 cutlets, depending on the size you are making. Lovely. Now, we can fry them. I'm going to shallow fry them on a non-stick pan. Heat some oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Spread it around with a spatula and line up the cutlets. Fry them on medium flame so that they get a nice color and they become crispy. After some time, you can flip them. This way, flip them few times and fry them until they are done. Simple and delicious cutlets for fasting days. Look at this beautiful color. They are quite nice and filling. You can enjoy them during your Navratras. Remove them on the plate and repeat the same with the remaining cutlets. Fry them in the same way. I'm sure you're going to love these easy Farali cutlets. Look at them, how delicious they look. Especially the coated peanuts are so nice and crunchy when you take a bite. Serve them with Farali chutney. I have already shared the recipe. The link will be given in the description box. Thank you for watching. You might like to watch these older videos from the archives. Check them out as well. Take care.